Hello YouTube. If you have an older Mercedes-Benz and this happens to your plastic, it's because Mercedes-Benz puts a soft touch coating on the plastics to give it a premium feel, but over time it'll actually melt and get really sticky. So in order to rectify that, what you do is you actually spray some orange citrus cleaner, any citrus cleaner with a sort of citric acid based cleaning inside it, and then you let it soak for a few minutes. I've actually sprayed this twice and I've rubbed it with a microfiber towel, but that just makes it clump together, and it's really hard to get off still. So what you do is you really just have to work it with your fingernail like that, and then clump it together and eventually just pull the whole thing off. But other than that, that's the easy and safe way to get rid of it. It's already made it a lot clearer, and it hasn't taken off any of the images, because if you use a solvent like mineral turpentine or rubbing alcohol, it may strip the paint off and it may strip the white symbols off, so you got to be careful of that.